My career here has been extremely fulfilling. I'm contributing to the care of our patients. I believe if I'm leading with my heart, then whatever I'm doing is going to be fruitful and it's going to serve people well. My name is Laura Kroger. I'm a biomedical technician at Prairie Lakes. I repair medical equipment. We do a lot of maintenance. We maintain thousands of pieces of equipment in the hospital, doing things before they need to be done. I work behind the scenes. We keep things going without anybody even knowing. I like being able to be of service in that way. I obtained my basic education at Lake Area. I've been able to get more training. We're learning new equipment all the time. There's always something new. There's always something new to learn, to do. We're constantly getting new equipment in and trying and learning new things. Arriving there, I didn't know what I wanted to do, and I just knew I wanted to be better. It's been such a blessing to be here at the hospital. We have been able to do a lot of things outside of work. Whatever we have needed, I have been able to support myself and my family very comfortably. And I'm grateful that I've been afforded the opportunity to have a career like this. It's helped me do those things.